In this tutorial, you will learn how to perform a manual media calibration for media that does not calibrate using the Smart Calibration feature. Your media must be loaded and the printer power on. Press pause for 2 seconds to enter advanced mode. All indicators will flash yellow. Pressing pause while the status indicator is illuminated yellow will start the manual media calibration process. The media indicator will flash yellow, then the pause indicator will flash. Open the printer and verify the media sensor is in the center position for label gap sensing. Remove 3 inches or 80 millimeters of labels from the liner. Place the liner where the labels were removed over the platen drive roller with the leading edge of the first label at the media guides. Close the printer and press pause once. The media indicator will flash as the media liner is measured. When complete, the pause indicator will begin flashing. Open the printer and reposition the media so that a label is located directly above the movable sensor. Close the printer and press pause once. The printer will feed and measure several labels. The printer will return to a ready state when complete with a green status indicator.